Hi, we will continue with number 11. Okay, as you see here, number 11 is going to be wear protective shoes. Now, in a real life scenario, when you have to go to a job, you have to wear boots that have toe steel. Now, in our classroom, we're only going to require you guys to wear tennis shoes. Okay, so pretty much we wanted if a hammer or something falls on your foot, that you're not going to get hurt. If you're going to step on a nail, that it's not going to go through. Okay, so you guys have to have a pair of tennis shoes, and you will not be allowed to do any work unless you do that. So you guys have to be planning to wear tennis shoes. Okay, very good. So that's 11. Okay, for number 12, it's going to be ear protection. So, pretty much anything that's noise, those machines are super loud. I mean, think about it. If you're cutting wood and metal, they have to be strong enough to do that. So, what we do is we wear our protective eye ear. And I love it because I can block off a lot of the noise, but I could still hear, but not the noise that's going to really hurt your ear. So, this is really, really important that we learn how to wear that. All right, so that was 12. Number 13. Okay, now this is something that you guys are probably going to be so familiar is you have to wear, you ready? A mask. Okay. Now, the desk masks for us are exactly the same as the surgical ones. So this is an N95 and I'm going to get it to you guys closer. You guys see how that number it says 95? This is the type that we're supposed to wear because not see it goes like this. Don't even have to show you guys. This is something that we do every day right now. So this particular mask blocks off all of the little particles that would get into your lungs. Now, when we work in construction, we're going to be working with cement, which is really bad for your lungs. We're going to be working with paint and odors that could be really, really bad for your lungs. So for our job, not in the workshop, but if you were to go to a real job site, you would have to wear an N95. Right now, right now we have these right here. I only have enough to demo. So, and then so that would be number 13, dust masks. Okay. And then for number 14, I have ventilated. Now, a lot of the tests and on the questions on the quiz is what does ventilated? Ventilated, think about a ventilation. So think about a fan. A fan helps circulate air. So if we're painting, you wouldn't shut out all the windows because the fumes would be so bad. If we're cutting, we're going to try to open as much as we can because of the fumes or the dust that we would be creating. So well ventilated means that you open up everything and you try to make it as air as possible so that enough air is flowing through. So remember, your keyword is going to be ventilated. Ventilated is our word. Okay, and for the last one, number 15 is clean up spills. So for this one, I have my bucket and I have a rag. If something spills like paint, even water, soda, anything that spills, you have to clean it up. It's very important that we clean up anything on the floor because what happens when something spills on the floor? It becomes slippery. That's right. And those slips are something that can create injury. So maybe you're not the one who's going to walk by it, but maybe the person behind you who's carrying a heavy load of something is walking by and they slip and they slip and they hurt themselves because the material falls onto them. So it's very important that cleanliness in our shop is going to be very important as well as the job site. Any type of debris has to be cleaned up. All right, you guys. So we'll continue with the next one. Thank you.